So you use someone that's $45,000 in debt that then has to repay $15,000. How much money is generated to Marble if that's your client?
Okay, well, you know what? It's pretty easy to calculate. So he's got a $15,000 loan. Say he has it for 3 years. Uh, the delta, the delta to us is around, you know, the delta to us is around 12 to 15%, around that. So we're making on $15,000, we're making 15% interest over 3 years.
Yeah.
And you take that to hundreds, and we take that into millions of dollars that we lend out. That's where we make our money.
Oh, so I think that was the put in perspective because I think it's true. Some people look at it, they go, wait, so people that went bankrupt you're giving money to and somehow making money. And I guess it's just hard for people to wrap their head around it when they initially hear about it, they're like, hmm, I wouldn't want to touch that with a 10-foot pole. But obviously you
Because
guys have,
yeah, you're
yeah,
right. Because they get labeled as a credit risk. Don't lend to them. You know what? How many people have made mistakes in their lives, and they're still really good people. I mean, there are, yeah, people, and as a society, and when we look at the uh, the low cost of credit and how interest rates are, and you know what, the banks, when credit risk is really low, the banks are giving away money right, left, and center. They'll lend money to anybody to buy a home, and even CMHC would, they went down to 5% down, and then they would extend it to 35-year mortgages. So it's kind of like, if you make that available to it, there are people that are just going to say, I want a home no matter what, and everything, and extend themselves pretty high. And then when there's a correction, all of a sudden there's no equity in your home, and you're paying on something that's a lot less than what it's really worth. And you know, uh, economics 101, is cyclical. What goes up must come down. You know what? You're going to get cycles where there's growth, and then there's retraction, and then there's growth again, and there's consolidation, and it depends on where you are in the cycle. That causes financial hardship to some people.
yeah, it's fair. And I know, I mean, I hate talking about coronavirus, but obviously, the Canadian real estate sector is definitely taking a little bit of a hit
Yeah,
because of it. So you're going to have people that they are great, great people. They're great lenders, like you say, or great, yeah, great lenders or
yeah,
whatever, that will need help, right? That they're looking for help, and it just sucked that, hey, they got hit by a pandemic that no one could have, stopped.
yeah. People have, as long as the money keeps coming in, they're working, they're getting paid. There's millions of people that just make their payments on time, are really good, but there's such a small margin of what they make to what they spend. Any little hiccup, as M&P has pointed out, are they said 50% of Canadians are $200 a month away from insolvency. What's $200? Your battery dies in your car, you get a flat tire, whatever, then it's so easy for all of a sudden, your financial wellness, just your whole life gets turned upside down.
Yeah.
And it's a domino effect, and one leads on the other, and you're just robbing Peter to pay Paul. You're just figuring out to get through with it. And really, what you need to do is you just need to evaluate. That, you know what, I need to restructure my, I have to restructure my life, restructure my debt, and live within my means. They're not bad people. They're just, the system was there. It's not as if they went and robbed a bank. It was there, was available. They signed on the bottom line. The bank gave them money, whatever it was, and so there are a good chunk of the underbanked that are good people, and those are the ones that we want to help.